Swagatam in my computer lecture series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful sights of Indian village. That is beautiful foggy sights of Indian village, because today is a foggy day. And first I would like to tell Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Om Namah Shivaya. And this village is near about a town called Sushan, which is in the Sitamarhi districts of Bihar in India or Bharat. In the computer word series, in the previous lecture we know about the word starting with J and K, and in this lecture we will talk about the word starting with letter L. So the first word I would choose in this series is landscape mode, a mode of printing in which the printed lines are parallel to the longer edge of the paper. Label record, a machine readable record that is used to identify a data file. It is the first record of the file. Label, one or more characters used to identify a statement, an instruction, or a data field in computer programming. Language processor, software used to convert source program instructions to object or machine language instructions. Assembler, compiler, and interpreters are some examples of language processor. Library program, a set of frequently used functions and operations supported by an operating system to enhance its capabilities. Large scale integration, LSI, integration of over 30,000 electronic components on a single chip is known as large scale integration, LSI. Laser printers, the page printers that produce very high quality output by performing characters and all kinds of images with very tiny ink particles. They use a combination of laser beam and electrophotographic techniques to create printed outputs. Latency, in case of disk storage, rotational delay time for desired data or sector to come under read and write head positioned over the track. Maximum latency time equals the time taken by disk to rotate once. Leased line, a data transmission service in which a special conditioned telephone line directly and permanently connects two computers. A leased line can be used for both voice and data transmission, also known as private line or dedicated line. The next word is library routine, a tested routine maintained in a library of program, also called library function. Line printer, a printer with a print mechanism that prints one line at a time. Light pen, a pen-shaped device used as an input device to input data into a computer while writing or sketching on its screen. Link, a special type of items in a hypertext documents connecting the document to another document that provides more information about the linked item. Linker, a program that is used to properly combine all object program files, modules of a software and to convert them into the software's final executable form. List processing, LIST processing or Lisp, a programming language suitable for manipulating non-numeric data such as symbols and strings of text. It is used in the areas of pattern recognition, artificial intelligence, and for the simulation of games. Linux, an open source operating system enhanced and backed by thousands of programs worldwide. It is a multitasking operating system originally designed to be used on a personal computers. Load module, final executable form of software produced by a linker. Low-level language, programming language that normally translate from one source instruction to one object instruction. They are machine dependent. LSI, large scale integration, the process of integrating a large number of electronic circuits on a single small chip of silicon or other material. Lycos, an internet search engine. Local area network, LAN, LAN, local area network, a computer network interconnecting computers and other peripheral devices within a limited geographical area of a few kilometers. Logic gate, an electronic circuit that operates on one or more input signals to produce standard output signals. For example, AND or and NOT gates. Logic gates are the building blocks of all circuits in a computer. Logic error, an error that occurs when actual logic of a program is different from desired logic. Such errors cause the program to produce incorrect output. Loop structure, the statements provided in a programming language to repeat the execution of a statement or a block of a statement. Logo, an easy to learn programming language used to teach problem solving skills to children. Logo, the programming is for children. Loop, a sequence of instructions executed repeatedly until a terminal condition occurs. Logic operators, symbol used to show a logical relationship between two data items. For example, greater than, equal, less than, etc. Logical operators, we have seen logic operators. With this I end this lecture. So Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hanuman, Jai Bajrangbali, Om Namah Shivaya.